Okay, I'm going to go ahead and introduce week 15 to you, which is November the 15th through the 25th. We're looking at using the subjunctive with doubt and denial. You're going to want to study pages 337 to 340. You should be able to form the subjunctive and dependent clauses following an expression of doubt, uncertainty, or denial, and be able to recognize phrases that signal doubt, uncertainty, and denial. You should be able to understand that the subjunctive mood needs to be used when expression suggests that what is commented on is outside of the speaker's experience. You should also be able to read two short texts on a travel experience and a famous Colombian singer and be able to answer short answer questions on what you have read, demonstrating your ability to read and comprehend short passages in Spanish. This week's assignments address student learning outcomes 1, 2, and 4 and are due on the 20th. I've gone ahead, this says the 22nd, but I have decided, you'll see the rest, it's been moved to the 20th, which I'll fix that date. This is the week of Thanksgiving, and so I wanted to move everything up a few days so you didn't have to worry about completing work on Thanksgiving. So you're going to want to start the week the same way as you always do by watching videos. So there's a couple of videos on subjunctive with doubt and denial, or there's a video. So watch the video, then come back out here, click on the class participation forum. Click on the thread, hit reply, and post any questions or concerns you have about the material covered in the videos. Okay. You also have a reading comprehension quiz. I think this is the last one that you have to do for me. So you're going to read about Catalina's travel experience and about a Colombian musician, Juanes. And when you're ready, you're going to hit attempt quiz now. You only have one attempt, but you do have 3 hours in which to complete it. And there are the readings again, so you can refer to them as you answer questions. There's some short answer, and the rest are true, false. Remember, short answers have to be manually graded, so please be patient with me. I do go through these as soon after you complete them. I do go through them and make changes, sometimes giving you back points. Okay. You also have activities in my language labs. You have a couple of SAM and Spanish extra practice activities. So you'll want to go out into my language lab. Okay. And so when you're out here in my language labs, you'll want to click on the 20th and the assignments. Oops, I'm sorry. First, you want to go to the course calendar or the to-do list. I tend to prefer the course calendar. Click on the 20th. The assignments will pop up here and you'll want to go through and complete them. And you can do them as many times as you would like before the due date, but if you're doing them more than 3 times, I suggest reaching out to me. And that's everything you have to do for week 15.